Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno15 FS and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So let's start with opening the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the 3-button navigation, simply tap on the button with a 3 bars icon or a square icon. And if you've got the recents, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold it somewhere here, something like that. And here we've got the recents. And now all you have to do is to simply tap on close. Now we can open the recents to check, and here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Sometimes your device will leave one of the apps opened for some reason. I have no idea why, but sometimes it will happen. Then all you have to do is to swipe it up like that to manually turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.